Hey everyone, ever wondered how many companies got hacked last year alone? Over 1,000. That's right, over 1,000. And guess what? They all wish they had an ethical hacker on their team. So why not be that hero? Today, I'm going to show you how to become a self-taught ethical hacker in 2024. Now, why should you care about ethical hacking? Well, with the digital age booming, cybersecurity is no joke. It's crucial, and becoming a self-taught ethical hacker puts you right at the forefront of this critical field. Let's dive into the problem. There's a glaring gap. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing, but there aren't enough skilled folks to go around. Cyber threats are evolving every day, and we need sharp minds like yours to combat them. That's where ethical hackers come in. So, what do you need to know to dive into this world? First off, get comfy with programming languages. Python and JavaScript are good starters. Next, understanding networking. Know your TCPs from your UDPs. And of course, security concepts like firewalls, VPNs, and encryption are your bread and butter. Now let's talk real world. Did you know that ethical hackers have prevented data breaches that could have impacted millions? They're the unsung heroes who ensure our data stays safe from the bad guys. From securing databases to fortifying networks, their impact is huge. Wrapping up, becoming a self-taught ethical hacker is not just about safeguarding information, it's about shaping the future of technology. It's a path of continuous learning and immense responsibility. So, if you're fired up about making the digital world a safer place, hit that subscribe button. Dive deeper into the world of cybersecurity with my series on ethical hacking. Let's hack, but ethically. Stay safe, stay curious.